Hello, friends. This is a video of a car that pulled out in front of me. I had to lay on.
A lot like our previous book, Lead Company Truck.
You could see how close that came, and you'll notice on the right side, a car was right beside me, so I couldn't swerve over to the right. I had no choice but to slam on the brakes, and thank goodness I didn't hit that car because there was a passenger. There's really been a lot of bad drivers lately. I don't know if it's because of the pandemic or what, but here I'm in the outside left turn lane. This is a double turn lane, by the way, and I'm waiting for the light to turn green. And here we start to move, and then notice the second white car in the right lane. He should turn left. If he wanted to make a U-turn, he should be in my lane. But look what he does here. He makes a U-turn right in front of me from the outside lane. That could have been very dangerous, but luckily, again, avoided the accident because I was an alert driver. I ask everyone to be safe out there and always be alert while driving. Take care, everyone, and have a good day.